Welcome to the Bailey how-to videos, and in this video we're going to be talking about your fridge freezer in your caravan. Now it's worth noting that the Dometic fridge freezer that we're featuring in the Unicorn has a touchscreen panel. Now the controls are going to be broadly similar on yours, whether it's a rotary dial or a touchpad. Right, so you've arrived on site. If you need to use this on a gas setting, it's worth turning the gas on now and making sure the isolator valve in the kitchen is on. So with that done and the electric hookup lead connected, we can turn the fridge on. So with the fridge on, it's gone into auto mode. Now that automatically detects the most economic way to heat your fridge. So if you're on a hookup, which we are now, it will select the 230 volt power. If you're not, it will automatically put you onto gas, or if you're traveling, onto 12 volt from your tow vehicle. But to toggle through the different modes, you just press the mode button. And if you haven't got a mode button, just use that rotary dial. So we'll go through. It's beeping now because we're not hooked up to a tow vehicle, but the picture of the battery there is for when you're traveling. It draws power from your tow vehicle and it will maintain the temperature in your fridge freezer. It won't cool it, so you'll need to reduce that temperature either on a hookup lead or on gas, but the battery symbol will then maintain it when you're traveling. So next we have the gas symbol. So if you're not on a hookup and you're off grid or you're in a rally field, you can select the gas and that will then obviously freeze the fridge freezer on gas alone. And pressing it again, it will then put it onto that 230 volt power setting. The final button we have here is the temperature. You can raise or lower it as much as you would like. So it's on the lowest setting at the moment, and all you do is keep pressing that button if you'd like to turn it up to maximum. Again, if you don't have a touchscreen, you have a rotary dial, literally just turn it up. And that is how to use the fridge freezer in your caravan.